Hello, and thank you for joining us here at TESCO. Today, we will be showing you how to find the onboard diagnostic port, also known as the OBD2 port, on your vehicle. Starting with a vehicle that does not feature a wheelchair lift. Shown here is your OBD2 port. This is most commonly found on the driver's side below the steering wheel column or dash. It can serve a variety of uses, such as checking engine diagnostics, the SRS light, as well as your anti-lock brake light. We can use it with devices like this Snap-on Solus OBD2 scanner to read codes, run diagnostics, and view vehicle data. Operation is fairly simple by plugging right into the port and powering the scanner on, which is then ready to read codes and vehicle data. Now, some vehicles that feature a wheelchair lift make use of an interlock system. This might make finding the OBD2 port a little difficult. Newer vehicles, however, may have the interlock system plugged in through a pass-through or splitter connector, while older vehicles may plug into the OBD2 port directly. On those older vehicles, simply unplug the interlock system to open up the OBD2 port for use. When you're done, just remember to reconnect the interlock system into the port in order for your wheelchair lift to work. And that's where to locate your vehicle's OBD2 port. For all of your transportation and mobility needs, choose TESCO for over 50 years of our proven quality and trusted name. Call, click, or visit today. Thanks for watching.